I'm reading one of your old quotes, in fact, something you recently said, and you said the problem is not that there is a shortage of laws, the problem is that these laws are not being effectively executed or effectively implemented. In other words, you don't really see the need for a separate law on hate speech because you're saying it already exists.
Yes, in fact, this is what the Supreme Court has said. It's not that I've said it. The Supreme Court says that there is enough, the legislation to tackle hate speech, right? So you don't need a separate law for this.
The question though is, what does one do when one sees, for example, the police in this case, filing a case not against the hate speech itself, but the fact that this was an event that was called without due permission. When our own institutions and agencies act so partisan, so blatantly, what does one make of it?
Yeah, it's actually, Nidhi, it's very difficult to say what's going on. The police don't act, and if they act against the wrong person, all right? So what does one do in a situation like this? Fortunately, about the hate speech aspect, the matter is pending in the Supreme Court. I hope the Supreme Court looks into it, and lays down the law and says that some action has to be taken. You can't have, people who make hate speech getting away with it, and people who are saying something completely innocuous, being put behind bars for sedition or something else.